We are always evolving, rethinking, improving, collaborating, and it is smart, versatile technology which is at the forefront of these advancements. Technology that understands that we are at our best when we work together, that moves with us as we move through the world. Autodesk's AutoCAD Web is a trusted and accurate solution that offers light editing and design capabilities to its users. With a streamlined interface and access to leading cloud storage providers, AutoCAD Web is as agile as you need it to be. Simply access all the vital tools you need to make edits to existing drawings, create markups, store files directly onto the cloud, and collaborate with fellow CAD users, all while maintaining the precision and efficiency of AutoCAD, and all at an attractive price, which won't set you back. Take the next step with technology that evolves with you. Make, create, do, build what's on your mind, anytime, anywhere, with AutoCAD Web by Autodesk.